Yeah, there you go. That is Beauty, our sulfur crested kakadu with the scientific name of Kakatuwa galerata. They can be found in Australia, New Guinea, and Indonesia. Did you know that sulfur crested kakadu use their crest as indication if they are happy or mad? Sulfur crested kakadu spread their wings and leave their crest as part of their courtship ritual or panliligaw. And sometimes, for discouragement para sa mga lalaking kakatu, naligawan yung other female kakatu po. At ngayong hapon, ipapakita ni Beauty ang kanilang courtship ritual po. Okay na Kuya Dexter, Beauty, are you ready? Ayan, okay, Beauty, show what you got, girl. And, ayan yung first eh. There you go. Spread their wings at isa pa daw, Beauty. Ayan, there you go. Palakpakan po natin si Beauty, guys. And as part of Beauty's enrichment, kakatus look in branches to exercise or to play around to please their boredom. So ano nga ba ang ginagawa ng isang kakatu? Ayan, ipapakita yan ni Beauty para mawala yung kanilang bagot, guys. Eh, there you go. Ikot-ikot lang. Ayan, ikot up. Beauty, tama na Beauty, baka mahilo ka, girl. Okay, and just like any other cactus, Beauty also has a zygodactylid. So what is zygodactylid nga ba? Ipapakita ni Beauty by grabbing her treats po. Okay, now Beauty, there you go. To the back, to the front, allowing them to grab items, and there you go. Thank you so much, Beauty. Palakpakan po natin si Beauty, guys. Okay? And syempre, ang kanyang poging kuya na si Kuya Dexter. Once again, palakpakan po natin sila. And thank you so much, Beauty, for showing us your talent po. Okay, now, moving on to our next animal ambassador. Kung pure black po si George kanina, ito po, puting-puting po ito, guys. Just like in clouds. Now may I call on Jumbo. Yeah. There you go. That is Jumbo, our umbrella crested kakadu with the scientific name of Kakatuwa alba, meaning older brother in Indonesia. And did you know that one of the reasons of global warming is due to our pollution coming from our transportation? In this afternoon, Jumbo will show us how to lessen our carbon footprints by using a... Now, Kuya Sarah, ano nga bang nandyan, Kuya? Deng, 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 deng. Bicycle. Okay now, guys. Watch this. Okay now, Jumbo. Sakayin. Pajan mo po yung vehicle. Yung pang-first station. Kung argument mo, pajan mo po. Minor lang boy, baka mahulog ka sa vehicle mo, boy. And now, to the kids out there, or maybe sa ating mga adult who still don't know how to ride a bicycle, nothing to worry about po. Dahil ngayong hapon, tuturuan din tayo ni Jumbo how to ride, eh? Deng, 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 deng. A scooter. Okay, now, Jumbo. Sakay ulit. It's Sika Jumbo. Tama na, baka mahulog ka sa table mo. You see, guys, even our animals are not to help our mother nature. You can also do part by doing the reduce, reuse, recycle, repurpose, and some alternative ways for your transportation. And that's all for Jumbo po. Palakpakan po natin sila. Okay, at syempre ang po, Kuya, na si Kuya Simon po. Okay now guys, here in Davao Crocodile Park is